Hi, my name is Alvin. It wasn't until I needed a miracle that I began searching for something new. I live in the small, beautiful country of Singapore. Tourists come here to view the Marina Bay Sands Hotel or the impressive skyline of the city, and a lot of powerful and successful men live and work in these skyscrapers. I would say that most Singaporeans are comfortable with their lives and feel secure about their future. In Singapore, we enjoy religious diversity and freedom, but many like me can't find the time or feel the need to deeply explore topics of a higher power. It wasn't until I needed a miracle that I began my search, and it happened when I discovered that I had terminal cancer. The doctors told me that I would not live long, months at best. So far, though, I've proven them wrong. I've fought this illness in many different ways, but the best treatment I have found is through a new start. N for nutrition, E for exercise, water, sleep, temperance, air, rest, and trust. New Start. This New Start program was offered in the Seventh-day Adventist Church Union office in Singapore. In the morning, we come for lectures to learn about natural resources that are readily available to strengthen our body's capacity for health. We regularly drink plenty of water and go out for exercise. A walk around the park provides fresh air, and a stretching session gets our blood flowing. It's important to also rest and do everything with temperance or in proper measure, not too much, not too little. Nutrition is one of the vital components of this course. We learn to choose our food carefully and prepare tasty dishes. When we strengthen our body, it fights off disease for us, and we feel better and live longer. The last element, trust, is a completely new concept for me. It's a natural resource for health that is often emphasized here. Each time this comes up, I become more curious about God, our Creator. There are many important leaders attending this course. Some have traveled from other countries, and I feel privileged to be here. By improving my health, I've learned many important lessons, and I'm thankful for this wonderful program that gave me the tools to cultivate a healthy body, mind, and soul.